Hey everyone, John Canadas here, Honest Woodworking. Here Sunday evening on my shop. I'm working a little late, and I figured I'd share a little bit of information on this piece of furniture I'm working on. It's an entry table for a hallway. Let me show you some stuff here. Okay, so I started with this cherry slab. I will upload some pictures of this guy before it was trimmed down and thinned up. But it was cut down in 1970 and air dried for over 50 years, which is really cool. I machined it quite a few months ago, and I let it sit in my shop and develop some character. And that's exactly what it did. You'll see these streaks here, these beautiful dark streaks running through it. Some awesome crotch figure right there, some feathering. I'm not sure if you could see it. Very cleaned up between crevice here. These pieces of spalted maple came off of this piece, and they're going to make up the butterflies that will quote unquote hold it together. Now this piece of cherry here, two of the legs are going to be cut out of this piece, not the orientation that you see the drawing. I was just playing with stuff, kind of trying to figure it out. Quick drawing of kind of what's happening, not really, but yeah, give you a basic idea. And let's see, I'm cutting template out here to figure out the leg itself. There's gonna be a little gap between the leg, and this is gonna be a separate piece, undercarriage of the slab, but we're gonna get to that in maybe a couple episodes down the road. Right over here I have some more of the wood for this particular project, the other two legs and this piece of cherry here. A whole bunch more cherry. Some of it's quarter sawn, some of it's rift sawn, and we'll be making the frame of paneling on the undercarriage, the drawer sides with the quarter sawn material. And if we go on over to the other side of the shop, I'll show you the rest of the material that I'll be using. I've got this awesome piece of spalted maple. I just ran it through the planer a couple times real quick just to look at the figure on it. We're going to be using that for the drawer fronts. Pretty awesome stuff. Really difficult to work with, but really nice. It's definitely worth it. Right next to it is some more maple. We're going to be making drawer slips and the bottoms out of that material. Again, some more cherry. Again, quarter and rift sawn material for the undercarriage. And, you know, a little more cherry if we need it. Okay, that's about it. Excited to be sharing this with you. Looking forward. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.